Okay, hello beautiful people, right? I just designed this, all right, and this actually a layer on top of another, all right? So this nice curve at the background, okay? How do you design something of this nature? I want to show you how we did this, okay? It's a trick, it's a Canva trick, all right? So let me show you how. Actually, I want to show you how we get this done, all right? So follow me as we do this, okay? And make sure you have Canva Pro account with you. If you don't have Canva Pro account, please just reach out to me. Okay, my contact is right there on the comment section. Get right that to me, okay, so that I can help you get Canva Pro. And also, if you want to get how to set Canva Pro accounts, okay, just let me know. I can help you to set Canva Pro accounts without you paying €1. You don't need to pay €1 to anybody. All right, just let me know. I can help you generate Canva Pro account, and you can be selling it to other people as well. Are you ready? Okay, so let's go and get this done. All right, my name is Dr. K. So what to do? I was just going to click on this, right? All right, I was just going to come back to create. And under create, I'm going to look for Instagram post. All right, I want to use Instagram post for this. Okay, so let's use this one. Right, very good. All right, now what I want to design may not be exactly the first one, but it's going to be almost the same thing, right? So what I'll do, I'll go to element, and on the element, I'm going to look for city. Let's look for city. All right, so I'm going to be using this one. Okay, I've used that before, so let's use that same image, right? Yeah. Okay, so what I'll do is I can fill it up, all right, this way. Yeah, I can do this, or I can try to make it as background, of course. Okay, so I'm trying to see if I can like take it up a bit. All right, better. Okay, so I want to make sure that the length is well taken care of, because I want these towers, those towers to be right there. Okay, so when you have done this, okay, just go to element again and let's look for blob. Just type blob. You're going to see something like this, blob, right? Tap on this, and then you can change the color to blue color. Okay, I can change that to blue. All right, something of that nature. And what I can do is duplicate that. Okay, now before then, let's take it here, take it up this way, right? Fill up that space. Let it look nice of this nature, right? And then what you do, this very one you did, okay, turn it to white, turn that to white, and then let's bring it up this way. Okay, let's align something of this nature, something like this to form curve. All right, a nice curve. So what you do, duplicate this now, click on duplicate, and then rotate this. Yeah, rotate this, and then fill it up this way. Okay, very simple. And then what you do again, duplicate that and turn that the other part to white, turn it to white. Okay, now I want this to be under, so go to position and send it backward. Send it backward. Very nice. Okay, so what I'll do, I'll tap on it and then position it this way. You can see that. So to bring out something like a layer, right? Kind of like nice curve. All right, so having done this, I'm going to go back and get the image. Okay, this particular image here that we're using, right? I'm going to fill up this space now again. Just fill it up like this, drag to fill up. All right, and then what I'll do, because I'm using Canva Pro, I can remove the background. Remove the background. When the background is gone, just roll it up. Roll it up this way. All right, just roll it up a little, and we are done. All right, we are done. So you can see that it looks like the stuff is on top of it, right? And you can decide to bring it down a bit if you want to, if you feel something like that, so that it will be okay. Don't worry, something like this. So this is actually the final work. Okay, so this, you can see that the city is kind of like on top of the curve, right? That's the essence of this whole design. This is actually a trick. Okay, you can use you're going to have a lot of, now these skills are very good for you, because as you do this, okay, you're going to get to know more about this. So okay, I can decide to come over here and maybe add a little stuff, like I say, Diwoko designs. Okay, so just you can add your logos, your brand name on it. You can bring it somewhere this way. All right, then you can turn it to white because the background is blue. All right, so very good. Then we are done. Okay. All right, so guys, we are done. So if you like this trick, all right, what you can do is join our Canva Pro account, a free class. All right, you can just join a free class so that I can give you more of these tips as we move on. Join us on WhatsApp or join us on Telegram. All right, thank you for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe and share with others. Drop your comment if you want to. If you have any question, please feel free, ask us. Okay, we're going to be there to support you. Thank you and God bless you. This is Dr. K. I'll be out for now. Bye.